Welcome to the BEDMAS app video lesson on expanded form. Expanded form is a way to break up a number into its place value parts. Doing this makes it easier to do more complicated operations like long multiplication and long division. Normally we do expanded form in horizontal format. For example, 342 is 300 plus 40 plus 2, and we do the numbers in decreasing order. However, with this app we are learning, so we will do this in vertical format rather than horizontal format. So the number we are expanding is 162,966,342. We start with the largest value, 100 million. Check. The next digit is 6, and that is 60 million. Check. Next digit is 2 million. The next digit is 900,000. The next digit is 60,000. The next digit is 6,000. The next digit is 300, 40, and our last digit is 2. Notice how all the digits just fall into place, and all you have to do is add zeros. This makes it easier when you're learning. When you're doing it on paper, you'll have to do it horizontally for most teachers to accept the answer. But normally you won't have numbers this big either. Okay, let's do one more example. We group them in threes just to check. So this goes up to 100 millions. So the first digit is 5, and it's 500 million. The next one is 70 million. Next is 3 million. Next is 500,000. Next is 30,000. Next is 9,000. Next is 700. When we're expanding, we ignore any digit values of 0. So we don't put 0, 0 for the tens. We just leave it blank. And then we skip to the next one, which is just 6. And that's 6 ones. And we check. Okay, the next exercise is going from expanded back to standard. Here, we just line up all the digits, and we have to be careful of zeros. So we group them in 3, and there's 100 million. So that's 3, 5, 6. 356 million, and then we have 604. That's 604,000. And the next 3 are 752, 752. And we check. That's correct. Let's do another one. And again, we group them in threes, 3, 3, 3. So 946 million. We have 480. Notice there's one line missing. 480,000. And the last, we have 264. That's 264. It's important to do this exercise as quickly and as accurately as possible. Otherwise, there's no chance of getting long multiplication and division exercises correct. Now it's your turn.